I hope you guys are doing well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are of course unboxing another Lush kitchen subscription box. However, I feel like I haven't done this in ages because last month, unfortunately, we didn't manage to get our hands on the kitchen box because basically, long story short, back when I was in Turkey having a great time by the beach, I basically got a notification like, oh, your payment didn't go through, and then I found out my bank card had got cancelled for some weird reason. It basically got marked as like damaged or something, but I didn't want to ring the bank because in Turkey, if you guys don't know, it costs me a fortune to call back home. So I thought, well, I can't ring the bank because I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to pay for that. So I basically did like an online chat thing, found out that all my subscriptions basically had to go to a different card. It was all a palaver. That being said, then basically I missed 2 months of this box. I managed to get my hands on the December box. I basically went into store and picked one up, thankfully, but January's was nowhere to be seen. I did not manage to get one, so I basically haven't done one in like over a month, and I feel very, very excited about this month because I love February. I am hoping, I haven't seen any spoilers by the way, but I am hoping and praying for like a Valentine's theme because I love Lush for Valentine's Day. I think their Valentine's Day ranges are always so cute and I'm just very excited. If you guys don't know as well, I basically have subscribed to the shower box. There's a shower box, a bath box and an extra large box, and I always go for the shower mainly because I have showers more often than baths at the moment, and I just feel like before I was getting so many bath bombs, which obviously isn't a bad thing, but I was getting so many bath bombs that I just couldn't use them in time, so I swapped to the shower box and I have been thoroughly enjoying it. So anyway, that is a ramble over. Let's dive into this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. That rhymed. Anyway, enjoy. Also, before I dive in, I do just want to let you guys know I do have a Lush affiliate link. It is always down below in my description. I do get a very small percentage every time you use it. I would really appreciate it if you did use it. However, don't feel like you have to, but there are always perks and things as well if you do use it. A lot of the times there's free products involved. It just depends on what time of the year you use it. There's different promotions and things. If you'd like to use it, it is down below, but don't feel like you have to. Anyway, let's dive in and unbox this box. I cannot wait any longer. I carried this home from work today because I wanted to obviously film this video, but it was pouring with rain, so I had it in my coat, and basically I was getting soaking wet, hence the hair, so the box didn't get wet, basically. Oh, okay. This is looking promising to be exactly what I hoped it would be. This packaging, honestly, I love this box so much more. The old boxes used to be like the actual postal box used to be the actual box, if that makes sense, whereas now they put a box inside a box, which means that your box, how many times shall I say box, isn't likely to get damaged. This is so cute. I love a red and pink theme. I am all here for this. This is adorable. I absolutely love it. Like, look at that. It's so cute. Okay, let's carry on and open her up and see what we have inside. So excited. I just love Lush Valentine's Day. I don't know what it is. It is just my absolute fave. I don't know. Very underrated range, I would say. Oh my gosh. There is a big shower gel. I can see a big shower gel. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, I think we're going to have to go with the massive shower gel. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the 2 Hearts shower gel. This is beautiful. It is literally just a bright red kind of clear shower gel, like very, very basic, but I'm just loving that. Like, I love the simplicity of it. This one says, feel the loving embrace of silky rose and jasmine lathers. I believe this used to be a bubble bar back in the day, the 2 Hearts bubble bar. I might be wrong, or a bath bomb maybe. I feel like we've definitely had something with that name before. And in terms of ingredients, it says it has lemon oil, ylang blah blah blah, I cannot speak, ylang oil. We've also got sandalwood oil, gardenia extract and jasmine flower extract. I am so excited to smell this one. Let's give it a go. Ooh, that is so good. It's definitely more on the floral side, but it's not in your face floral. Does that make sense? Like, it's a really beautiful, sweet floral smell. You can really smell that jasmine in there. That is so beautiful. And again, the packaging, I just absolutely am obsessed with it. I love that. That is so, so nice. 5 stars. Also, I love the size of it. Like, that's just very, like, a generous size. Do you know what I mean? Okay, next up, there is a lot of scents coming out of this box, and it is giving floral, very strong kind of, I don't know what the flower is, but there's a very strong scent coming out of this box. Ooh, okay, this is the Happy Blooming Body Lotion. It says place your bets on soft skin, perfumed with fruity almond and floral ylang ylang. This again, the packaging is absolutely beautiful. I love a themed box. So for me, like Valentine's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, Christmas, like I love themed packaging. I think it's so fun. And in terms of ingredients, we have got almond oil, we have got cocoa butter, we have jojoba oil, we have got ylang ylang oil, we have got benzoin resinoid, we've also got almond essential oil. Let's just give it a smell, oh my goodness, and see what it's like. Ooh. Ooh, that is not what I expected to smell like at all. This is very almondy. This is going to sound so weird, and I feel like it's probably going to make you guys think that it's gross and that I don't like it, but that's not the case. It smells like Play-Doh. Like when you're a kid and you'd have Play-Doh, that is exactly what it smells like. I'm going to put some on my hand though, just to give it a try, but that is really good. Ooh. Yes, that is super almondy, very rich as well, like really almost, I don't want to say too rich because I feel like this time of year it's really good to have that rich moisturising kind of body lotion, but it is a very oily texture. Oh, that's good though. It smells completely different on the skin than it does in the pot, because on the skin it's not giving Play-Doh, but in the pot it is giving super Play-Doh. But that is delicious. I'm very excited about that. So 2 out of 2, very good job, Lush. Okay, the next one we have... Ooh, okay, now I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a shower bath bomb kind of gal. I don't get it. I think maybe it's me and I think I'm using them wrong, but I just don't understand the purpose. However, I am very excited to try again. So we have got this one. This is the Sex in the Shower Emoti Bomb, and it says place on the floor of your shower, and as the warm water hits your Emoti Bomb, it fizzes up into the atmosphere surrounding you in a fragrant steam. So I just feel like it's just gonna make the shower smell nice. Do you know what I mean? But I mean, it's cute and I like the idea. I don't know. Oh, that smells so good. Wow, that's really strong. That is what I could smell. Super floral. Okay, so ingredients wise in this one we have got jasmine extract, geranium oil, rose oil, mimosa flower extract, and ylang ylang oil. It's also got juniper, but I find that one so hard to say, juniper berry oil in it. Yeah, that is super strong. The only way I can describe this one is it gives off a very, I don't want to say typical soap smell like a Dove, or do you know what I mean? Like it smells like a very clean, fresh, soapy smell. It's really good though. That smells really good. I actually might have to try that one again. I think maybe I just didn't try it the right way. I don't know. Yeah, I would say I am actually really excited about giving that one a try. I think maybe, I don't know, maybe I just used it the wrong way, or maybe they're just not for me, but I definitely will give it another go. And if you guys want to know my thoughts and opinions, feel free to give me a message over on Instagram, because I'll definitely keep you guys updated over there. So next up we have something I'm really excited about, because I love a Lush melt, but I actually use them as like wax burner melts as opposed to bath melts. I don't like the oily texture in the bath. It just doesn't sit right with me. I feel like it's always like a layer. Do you know what I mean? Like there's a line of like where I've been led in the water, like where the oil is. I don't like it, so it just isn't for me. And I hate having to scrub the bath after, so I use them in my wax burner. But we have got one here. This is the Jasmine Cream Lush Melt, and it says whether a long softening soak is needed or an afternoon of aromatherapy awaits, this fruity and floral melt will leave you soothed and relaxed. This is what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got some lovely kind of red confetti hearts inside. I'm a big fan of the melts. And in terms of ingredients, this one has got cocoa butter, shea butter. We've also got cold pressed strawberry seed oil. We've also got ylang ylang oil. We've also got almond oil. Oh, that one's, wow. That one's really good. So the only way I can describe this one, and it's going to sound really stupid because of the name, it's a very creamy floral smell. Like it's very, I don't know how to describe that at all. The only way I can imagine it is if you had like a cupcake that tasted like jasmine and it had buttercream on it, because it has that really creamy smell to it. Very sweet, but light. Does that make sense? That's really good though. Oh, that is actually really delightful. And I tend to use maybe 2 squares in one wax melt. So I do have 4 really good uses out of this, or you can again use it in the bath as it kind of was intended to be used. And again, I'd probably use maybe 2 in a bath, but yeah. Oh, that's actually really good. Yum. Okay, and last but definitely not least, I feel like this unboxing has gone incredibly quickly. Is it just me? Maybe I haven't been speaking as much in between. I have no idea, but I've literally been recording for like no time whatsoever. And we're on the last item already, which is sad. So the next and last item we have is a soap. I love the look of this one already. I am very excited. scented, and she is super creamy. My goodness. So this is the Peachy soap. Look how cute she is. I absolutely love the look of this one. So this one, in terms of ingredients, has things like grapefruit oil. We've also got Divana oil. We have got, did I say rapeseed oil already? Grapefruit oil. We have got alumni oil. We've got peach juice. We've got peach extract. That's so good. That's so good and so hard to describe. It's like floral, like, no it's not. It's like fruity, citrusy, but like slightly floral at the same time, and I don't know whether maybe that's because it's touched other things, but that is absolutely delicious. I am very, very excited to use this one. I'm actually going to put this in my bathroom like as soon as this video is done. Oh, that's so good. Yum. My hands are covered in stick now. So that is everything for the Lush kitchen subscription box for the month of February. I would love to know down below, do you get this box? Do you not get this box? Are you subscribed? Do you skip it? Let me know down below. I am a serial receiver. That makes no sense. I basically never skip a box because I always want to film these videos. So if you ever want to see my thoughts and opinions on the boxes every month, make sure you subscribe, because I will be doing this every single month until the end of the year, and then very likely I will carry it on until next year. I absolutely love them. I have been doing these boxes I think since 2021, so if you guys want to watch all the old videos, you are more than welcome. There is a lot to get through. Every single box is on this channel from 2021 apart from last month, which was really annoying, but here we are. We're back again, and I'm just very, very thankful and grateful that we managed to get our hands on February's box. So that is everything for today's video. I love you guys so incredibly much. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.